My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware, which is called Flame. This video has got educational purposes. In the video, I will explain to you what exactly this ransomware does with the files. I'm not promoting this ransomware and I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the data. So you've just seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and all other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Flame ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then it starts damaging the files that people store on their hard drives. The ransomware encrypts the files and then it actually appends a special extension to the data. So actually the extension that is added by the ransomware is random. There is no point for me to mention it because it is random for each specific file. The ransomware also drops this ransom note and it says something in Russian. It says that users need to pay the ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay the ransom and don't contact these hackers who stand behind this ransomware. I recommend you to immediately delete this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website, the official page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner using this green button, install the application and start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button and this will begin the investigation of your computer. Combo Cleaner will work very well in terms of identifying this ransomware and other threats which could be the part of your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature called anti-ransomware is the part of the premium license only. Keep this in mind. So then the scanning itself will take some time. It definitely depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may also depend on some other factors. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.